Hello, this is the sheep heart dissection for biology. My name is David Burke, and this begins the external anatomy portion. Epicardium is the external layer. This is the base of the heart. No, excuse me. The base of the heart. The backside, posterior. The apex. Right atria. Left atria. The blood in the right atrium is deoxygenated, goes into the lungs through the pulmonary arteries, gets oxygenated from the lungs, exits the lungs, comes into the heart via the pulmonary veins, and it, in the left atrium, becomes oxygenated, drops to the left ventricle through the aortic valve, out the aorta for distribution. The auricles, this would be the, let me see, excuse me. This would be the right auricle. There's the left. The interventricular sulcus, which major blood vessels are found in the sulcus, and I believe we find the interventricular arteries, anterior interventricular arteries, which marks the anterior position of the septum separating the right and left ventricles. It continues as the posterior interventricular sulcus, which provides similar landmarks on the heart's posto-inferior surface. Pulmonary trunk would be found right here, and we have the pulmonary arteries and veins, entries and exits found in this trunk. The aorta, where's the blood in this vessel going to? The blood in the vessel of the aorta is going to distribution throughout the subclavian arteries, throughout distribution of the body to the femoral arteries. The ascending aorta, we got a better view on here. This would be it. Right in here. If I can flip my specimen over, excuse me. Right here. The carotid would be one of the smaller next to the aorta. Just the aorta arch, which is right here. And the brachiocephalic artery is even smaller. My specimen's not cooperating. Here. My computer froze. There we go. Superior vena cava, this would be a better shot. Coming through here and here. Superior, inferior. Coronary sinus, what other blood in these three vessels going to which heart chamber? The coronary sinus collects blood draining from the myocardium. In this, are there these vessels veins or arteries? They are veins. arteries, because they're arteries because that's what is feeding the blood to the myocardium. Oxygenated, which would explain myocardial infarctions if it's not oxygenated. The internal anatomy show the pectinate of the interwall of the right atrium. Right here. Show the myocardium of the left and right ventricle. It's right ventricle, left ventricle. Point out the trabeculae carne of the inner surface of the ventricles. Right here. Tricuspid valve. Probably get a better shot of this specimen here. So let me get a pin. The tricuspid valve with the chordae tendineae. And the bicuspid. Here lies the aorta valve. Pulmonary valve. I don't know if we can see it on these specimens. Might have got cut.